How to settle up in Splitwise. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can settle up in Splitwise. In order to do so, first of all, open your Splitwise application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. From here, tap on the group tabs at the bottom left or the friends tab to view your outstanding balances. And from this list, choose the group or the friend whose balance you would like to settle. Once you open the group, here you will need to look for Setup button. It is located in this row. Tap on it and in this page, a list of balances will appear. From here, you will need to select the specific amount you would like to settle. Simply tap on the amount and inside it here, you can also edit this amount if you wish to pay only part of it for now. And after that, you can simply tap on the tick mark at the top right and then you will need to choose how you'd like to settle the amount. Here this is just for demo, so I haven't added any payment method. But if you have added it, you will be prompted to choose how you'd like to settle the amount here. You will need to choose whether cash, PayPal or Venmo. After that, if you are using a payment app like Venmo, you will be redirected to that app to complete the transaction. And after confirming payment details, you will need to complete the transaction. And once it is done, Splitwise will automatically update your balance and reflect that the debt has been settled. As you can see in this page, all the dates have been settled in this group. You may also receive a confirmation that your payment has been successful in Splitwise and your balance with that person will be updated accordingly. So by following these steps, you can easily settle up your balance in Splitwise. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.